Hoi to the Ben. This is me saying, hello, how are you? In Portuguese. I'm in Brazil. No, I'm in Minas Brazilian Steakhouse, east of Oclair. By the way, I am Lanre Ajayi, reaching live on channel 1973.1 DT on people, places, and events. This is My City Speaks to Me, the Calgary edition. Minas Brazilian Steakhouse is not your average restaurant. It is a churrascaria. I explain. A churrascaria is a place where meat is cooked Brazilian barbecue style, or churrasco, which simply means barbecue in Portuguese. Minas Brazilian Steakhouse was established by Chef Jose Montes in 2015. Before then, he opened the first churrascaria in Asia. He has opened more in 6 other countries. Hi Chef, what kind of meat is this?
This is picanha, the top sirloin. You like some?
Yes, I love to have some. Now, the style of serving is called rodizio, in Portuguese meaning all you can eat at a particular price, where pasadoras or carvers come to the table with knife and skewer with various kinds of quality cut meats right off the grill and sliced tableside for an explosion on your palate. Come on, can't get better than this. Only at Minas Brazilian Steakhouse.
It's a traditional Italian sausage.
Italian sausage.
Italian?
Wow, thank you.
Well, the other one, the spicy and mild. This one's a mild one.
Spicy, I want spicy too. Thank you.
Fine.
Would you like chicken wrap bacon?
Wow, thank you. This is really good. I'm here with Carolina Lopez, the co-owner of Minas Brazilian Steakhouse, who's going to be telling us more about their beautiful restaurant. Hello, Carolina.
Hi.
Why the name Minas?
That's really easy. My husband comes from a state in Brazil called Minas Gerais,
Okay.
and we thought to honor his first restaurant be named after his state.
That's beautiful. Now, you cater for a lot of Calgarians, Canadians, so what experience are you selling? What do you want people to experience when they come to your restaurants?
So we're a family-owned business, and we wanted to kind of share that community feeling. Also, a call for family reunions and celebrations of all kinds, but mostly we wanted to bring a little bit of Brazil to Calgary for the people who are so far away from home to have this a meal that will remember them being in Brazil.
I used to say home away from home.
Yes, definitely.
Now you have it. Only at Minas Brazilian Steakhouse. Come experience the best of Brazilian fine dining. Thank you, Carolina.
Thank you.
And I love the coffee. Beautiful.
Salud.
Salud.